Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, where tradition meets transformation. Today's spotlight is on a plant so bitter, it practically dares you to drink it, yet it's one of the Caribbean's most cherished natural remedies, Cerasse. Or as scientists know it, Memordica carrantia. Let's unravel its secrets, from bush tea wisdom to international superfood status. Cerasse's story begins in Africa, feeding communities like the Tkung people during dry seasons, a food of survival. Later, it was domesticated in Southeast Asia, where it became a household name in kitchens and apothecaries alike. In Jamaica, it evolved into more than medicine. It became cultural memory. Generations brewed Cerasse tea not just for healing, but for grounding the body and spirit. And globally? It's called Karela in India, Cu Gua in China, Ampalaya in the Philippines, and Maleo de São Caetano in Brazil. It's proof that wellness knows no borders. Behind its bitterness lies brilliance. Cerasse is bursting with health benefits. Let's break them down. Blood sugar regulation. It contains charantin and polypeptide P, both studied for their ability to mimic insulin and reduce blood glucose. Herbalists praise its use for type 2 diabetes support. Detoxification. Cerasse tea is considered a blood cleanser in Caribbean folk medicine, used after childbirth or during seasonal resets. While science hasn't fully confirmed its detox powers, anecdotal support spans generations. Immune boosting. Alkaloids, flavonoids, and vitamin C team up to offer antimicrobial defense, keeping infections at bay. Heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while antioxidants protect arterial health. It's often recommended in hypertension-prone diets. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant support. Compounds like saponins and triterpenoids fight free radicals and calm internal inflammation, potential allies for arthritis or skin flare-ups. Cancer-related research. Lab studies show Cerasse may suppress cancer cell growth, especially in breast and prostate cancers. Though promising, these findings are preliminary and not a replacement for clinical treatment. Digestive aid. It acts as a mild laxative, easing constipation and reducing bloating. Many drink Cerasse after oily or heavy meals. Skin health. Used topically for eczema, rashes, and insect bites. In some communities, Cerasse baths help cool fevers and soothe irritated skin. Let's explore how bitterness becomes brilliance on the plate. Jamaica. Most commonly brewed into a strong tea. Some use it in bush baths for eczema or ringworm. It's rarely eaten due to its bold bitterness. India. Karela is stuffed with masala, pan-fried, or stewed in curry. Turmeric, onion, and chili help soften its edge. China. Cu Gua finds its way into pork stir-fries, egg soups, and tofu dishes. It's often blanched to mellow the bitterness. Philippines. In ginisang ampalaya, it's sautéed with egg, tomato, and garlic, bringing both comfort and nutrition. Brazil. Used in rustic stews, and even as a hops alternative in craft beer brewing. Its folklore value runs deep in the Northeast. Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula. Employed as an aphrodisiac in traditional medicine, though culinary use is rare. You don't have to be a herbalist to benefit from Cerasse. Here are a few ways to bring it into your wellness routine. Brew a weekly detox tea, but don't overdo it. Limit intake to 2 to 3 times a week. Add powdered Cerasse to smoothies or health shakes, just a pinch. Use cooled tea as a rinse for minor skin irritations. Explore international recipes and try stir-frying bitter melon with bold flavors. Cerasse is more than just a bitter brew, it's a bridge across cultures and generations. A reminder that true healing often asks us to embrace discomfort. Whether you sip it, cook it, or study it, Cerasse deserves a spot in your wellness story. Cheers to bold choices and ancient wisdom. Be sure to like, comment, and tell us how you use Cerasse. And don't forget to subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more plant-powered insights. Stay curious, stay strong, stay WeSo.